Hi guys, welcome to Work and Wealth channel. Today we'll see work from home job in Karnataka. We'll see job descriptions first. Job role is customer service associate, full time, duration permanent. And what you will do as a customer service associate? What is your role actually? What you will do exactly? Here, the end customers they will face some problems. They will face some issues. What they will do, customers they will raise a query. So your role is you need to resolve the query. You need to solve the query. You need to solve the query in phone by speaking, or you need to solve the query by chatting. So this is your role. Very simple role. And work hour it will be 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. Sunday to Monday. It will vary. So you will work overnight or day or late shift also. So your shift will vary, weekly basis or monthly basis it will vary. And we'll see about qualifications you need. Minimum age is 18 years, and you should be have right to India, and strong communication skill in English, both written and speaking. This is very important. And experience working with a computer. Okay. And here they mentioned again the availability work vary from Monday to Sunday within operating hours 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. So you should be ready to willingness. Willingness is means you should be ready to willing some city to another city, and you should be ready to rotating shift. So so what you need? So you need a quiet place, and you need a one desk and chair. So there should not be any noise and all. So it should not disturb any, you should not disturb your work. So what benefits you will get? So you will get medical insurance, free pension plan, you will get internet allowances. So what you will spend for the internet, so you can claim that money. So they will provide internet allowances. And you may get vouchers or benefits and retail discounts. You may get those. Again they mentioned job qualifications, we already spoke about this. And we'll see hiring process. So very simple hiring process. First you need to apply job. Here first you need to apply job. So tap apply button and it will trigger to this page. So scroll down, you can see I accept or I decline radio button, and on continue button here. Sorry, I will refresh the page. Okay, choose I accept, and this continue button will enable. So tap the continue button. Yeah, and it will trigger to login page. So here we need to enter email ID or mobile number for login if you have existing account. Otherwise create one account here, entering these details: first name, legal surname. Again they are asking first name and surname. So email ID enter again, and phone number enter again. And you need to choose your preferred language here, and preferred time zone here. So time zone means working zone, here you need to choose. And you need to create personal pin, 6-digit personal pin, and you need to re-enter the pin and tap next button, it will create. That's it guys, very simple. And after applying, what will be there? After applying you will it will be general questions and screening questions will be there. General questions will be very generic, you can create, sorry, you can crack, so that's not a problem. And screening questions now here they will display some words, so they will display some essays, So what you need to do, they will give 1 or 2 minutes. In that 1 or 2 minute you need to read quickly, and you need to they will ask to write again, or they will ask to read again. They will give 1 or 2 minutes, so you need to quickly read that what they are displaying. Either you need to quickly write what they are displaying. So after displaying, they will it will disappear. After disappearing, they will ask you to write or read again. So you should be ready to that. So that is not a problem, you can crack that. It will be easy. So next, coming to work assessment. So here they will tell you, they will give work assessments on your role. So next, online pre hire orientations. Here also they will give orientations on your role. Day one, your first day at Amazon. Thank you guys. If you like this video, subscribe and like and share the video. We'll see you on next video.